Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free. Today let us see how to prepare badam milk. Before moving to milk part, you have to get ready with two things. One is almonds. You have to soak the almonds overnight. This is around 20 almonds. I have already soaked the almonds for nearly 10 hours. So remove the skin and set this aside. Almonds are ready. Next we are going to fry some nuts. Take 3 to 4 cashews, 3 to 4 almonds, 5 to 6 pistas. Now fry them well. Roast this well for a few minutes in low flame. The nuts are ready and let this cool down. Once it cools down, transfer this into a mixie jar. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar and 2 cardamom. Grind this as fine as possible. This is ready. The nuts powder is ready. Set this aside. Next, in a bowl, take 1/4 cup of milk. Add a big pinch of saffron into this. Let this rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. By the time, let us grind the almonds. Grind it as fine as possible and add the saffron milk. Grind it once again, you'll get a nice fine paste. The almond paste is also ready. These two are the main things you have to get ready before moving on to the milk part. The nuts powder and the almond paste. Now take half a liter of milk. Bring it to a boil. Once the milk starts boiling, keep it in low flame and add the almond paste. Now cook in low flame for another 2 to 3 minutes. This is after 3 minutes. The almonds raw smell has gone now. Start adding the nuts powder little by little and give a nice mix. We have added all the nuts powder. After this, we are going to reduce the milk for about 3/4 of its quantity. Yellow food color is purely optional. If you want, you can add a little. Don't reduce too much, it will become too thick. Just reduce 1/4 part of the milk. Here, the badam milk is ready. Let us transfer this into a glass. You can serve this hot or you can refrigerate this and serve chill. Both will taste so good. Hope you like this. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.